Squad, I'm being transferred.
What the hell?
I don't understand.
What the hell?
Why are you doing this?
What the hell?
My name's Jake Peralta, and I just got fired.
Everybody go home. We're done hanging out together.
Don't you dare say that!
Cancel.
Canceled at the very last minute with no explanation.
Oh, no.
Captain Holt? This can't be real. Will someone please see him before I punch myself in the face?
Hello, squad. Oh my God, Captain. Good news. I'm back.
Oh, no, we're not done yet.
The curse is over, the slump is done, Jake is back.
He's back.
Back in the 9-9.
In the end, I like to think this whole thing is going to bring us closer together, and isn't that what it's really all about?
Nice save.
So, we have good news and we have great news. The good news is,
I'm staying at the 9-9.
Only on.
And peace.